In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make drop capital in Microsoft Word document. When you talk of drop capital, this means enlarging or styling the first letter in your paragraph on a Microsoft Word document. Now, this style is very common on newspapers and even in publishing of books. If you wish to style your document, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to insert and style the first letter on your paragraph is pretty simple. Just go ahead and click anywhere in the first paragraph or at the end of the first paragraph, just like this, and then head over to insert in your Word document. Now, once you click on this, you should see we have this option, drop capital. If you click on drop capital, we have quite a number of options you can choose from. As you can see, if I hover over any, you can see the style of the drop capital that we have. You can also go ahead and choose more options here, and here you can choose the style that you so wish. And once you have selected it, you can go ahead and click on it to insert it, and as you can see, it has been inserted. Should you want to style it, you can also just click it and add any style that you wish, and it will be applied automatically on your document. So that's how you can make drop capital or enlarge the first letter on your Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.